Hey everyone, this is your, I was gonna say your gay ass Flux Defense team.
We're the gay ass.
What's up, nuggets? It's customer service with Flux Defense. We're here to answer good questions. No! Stop!
That's the thumbnail right there. Hey everyone, this is the customer service team over at Flux Defense. I'm Jake.
I'm Ryan.
We're the morons that you have to deal with whenever you email or call in. Today we're going to be answering your stupid ass questions that you hit us up with. Ryan, I'll go ahead and let you start.
Starting off, we have questions in regards to suppressing the Legion Raider. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to go about it. You have a slide that is offered with the package that is ported. The end of the porting on that AXG slide does not allow for a threaded barrel to pass through it. So, in order to suppress your Legion Raider, you're going to have to purchase a brand new slide that is not compensated already. Also, why do you guys want to put a compensator on a already compensated slide? I don't...
Anyways, sorry if I'm shaking a lot. I'm on my 5th Red Bull today. But the next question I have here is rubber bumpers for the Raider 365. So we are starting to phase out these little slots that comes on the Raider 365 chassis for the rubber bumper. Instead, we are going to be including these half-cut O-rings that you install in your FCU that will remove any play that you find with your FCU and slide when you install it in the chassis. However, it's worth noting that if you install it without the rubber bumpers and you have no play, you do not need the rubber bumpers. Most of you will not need to use them.
6-inch barrels. This is a commonly asked question, and rightfully so. They've been out of stock for a while. So, we are doing material testing on 6-inch barrels right now. We're going to be wrapping up here soon in the next couple of weeks, and if everything goes well, then production and offering them online will be almost immediately afterwards. So, we're closing in. We really are closing in. I promise you. I keep telling you guys this, but like I really mean it this time.
All right, next up, we got sling bags for the Raider, whether it's the Raider X or the 365 Raider. As you know, we discontinued our sling bag. We hope to have our own in the future, but for right now, we are looking at bringing some in from some other companies. We don't know whose bags we're going to carry yet, but we are going to have some options available soon.
Lastly, the long stock for the Raider 365 is coming back. We are about to list it online here in the next week or two. This is what the package is going to look like. Inside of the sleeve, you have the actual long stock arm, and then you have the stock plate, which you will need to assemble. The eye guard is already installed, and then there will also just be washers that you put on for the swivel point.
So basically, it comes with everything you need to fucking install it.
Everything you need will be in this package. You cannot put a brace on it because it exceeds the length of pull. So keep that in mind when purchasing a long stock arm.
All right, to finish this off, leave a comment down below if you think GTA 6 will come out before the Glock Raider.
Customer service phone. Fuck! Fuck!